No Name with his super box of awesomeness gift.
Yep.
And my crappy beta AK.
The SR-16 full metal 5-pod flashlight, red dot with laser, and upgraded motor.
Beta covered in duct tape with working motor. 280 FPS. Alright, let's start the war. Man, I hope my iPod doesn't get shot. Or my finger!
Again.
Tommy gun. I'm hiding in the banana plants. Oh, I can't see. Wait. Yes. Shine some light into your banana plants. Banana plants. Come over here and shine the light into your banana plants. Fast. Fine. Banana plant hiding. Too bad you can't see anything. Don't aim for my iPod. I have perfect hiding in these plants. I hope they don't go in the pool. Then we're really messed up. Can't go in. Hey, look, a neighbor. Alright, let's move. Oh, wait. Too narrow. Can't move. Ah. This sucks that you guys can't see the war, but still pretty cool that I can shoot. I hope I'm not really out. Did he advance?
Secondary.
Ah! What? No rounds? No fair? Stop!
Wow, that's a fail.
Alright, get your SR-16 and show them the banana plants I was Stop! Stop!
Oh, are you serious?
Okay, fine. Where's your SR-16?
Somewhere.
Oh, it's over there. Alright, I'm gonna get the flashlight. Gonna show you. Stop shooting me!
I'm not.
You just shot my leg.
I did?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I felt something.
You serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Wow. It's a fail because it was out of ammo.
Blue light.
Blue light
Red
with
laser point.
What are you doing?
Going over here and showing them the banana plants.
Oh.
Alright, this is going to be heavy and really long, but I'm going to show you. Stop! You just shot my neck.
That's just the beta.
Well, it doesn't hurt. Okay, those are the banana plants, if you can't see them. Ow! Stop shooting me! Man, I wish this thing had ammo.
Stop, that's 430.
Yeah, I know, but you wasted all the ammo in like 5 seconds because he doesn't have the proper mag.
So?
And that's where I was hiding. In those little bushes.
Put it up some. Now shine it.
Fine.
Wow, that really helps a lot.
Well, it's not a very bright light. Turbine! Cool. Which you can't see either. Which you still can't see. Oh, yeah, you can. Alright. End of video. End of war. Bye.